Pinterest isn't what it used to be, and for artists, that's a huge problem. What was once an incredible resource is now cluttered with AI-generated content, intrusive ads, and unreliable search results. If you're still relying on Pinterest for references, you are not just wasting time, you are holding back your own art progress. Today, I'll show you why Pinterest's current state quietly yet drastically slowing your progress, and most importantly, how to break free and find a better way. I've got the ultimate solution, a method that will skyrocket your art progress without endless searching, give you instant access to top quality references, and let you build a personal AI-free reference library that grows with you. And the best part, it's simple, effective, and works for artists of any skill level. As a professional artist, I used Pinterest my whole career, and it was my favorite platform to search for references. But in recent years, I started noticing something very suspicious. My feed and search results became nearly unusable. To find just one good reference, I had to get through tons of ads, and sometimes they covered most of my screen, just like this. And even when I somehow managed to find this shiny pin I needed, I clicked on it and realized, wait, that's an AI? And that moment changed everything. I realized a huge problem: energy. Each day we have a limited amount of energy. Naturally, we want to spend most of it on drawing. But here's the catch. In life, every action has a cost, and the currency we pay is our focused energy. So throughout the day, we spend our energy on work, studies, social interactions, household tasks, and entertainment. And by the time we sit down to draw, we only have a tiny amount of energy left. But here's the worst part. A few years ago, searching for references took only a small portion of our energy. Now we are forced to sift through endless AI spam and ads just to find something useful. And that's right, it's now consuming most of our time and energy that we should be spending on real drawing practice. That means our progress becomes much slower. But how can we fix this? We need a system that, first, provides references that align with our style and projects. Second, saves our energy by cutting out the endless search for quality images. And the third, this system needs to be reusable across all of your future art projects. So what's the solution? I'll show you exactly how to build this system with help from today's sponsor, Milanote. As an artist, I'm always looking for better ways to learn and grow. And Milanote is my personal favorite tool to organize all of my artistic chaos into beautifully structured projects. It's especially powerful for structuring art studies and tracking progress effortlessly. For me, it's an essential tool to improve in digital drawing. So how should we start creating our own efficient system? Step 1. Reliable reference sources. Since Pinterest is no longer the best option, I recommend these 3 better alternatives. The first is the platform called Pixiv. It offers a huge variety of anime-style illustrations, and what's important, includes a built-in AI block, making your search much easier. By the way, if you want to level up your drawing skills, I created a free digital art workbook with structured exercises. Grab it for free in the link below. The second is, of course, ArtStation, a great source of high-quality professional artworks, but we need to use it in a very specific way. While browsing, make sure to toggle on Hide AI-generated projects, and you'll be safe. And since we all love drawing characters, the third resource is Graphite Studio, a goldmine for anatomy and character reference packs with no AI-generated content. So what's next? Step 2. Creating a smart reference system. Having great references is useless without an efficient system to organize and use them. So how do we build one? We start by creating a reference map. This is the foundation of your reference system. I designed mine for character illustration, and you'll soon see how it all comes together. By the way, you can build your own reference map system with me. Link in the description lets you use Milanote for free and with no time limit. Inside my reference map, I create core categories like characters, backgrounds, composition, color, lighting, and moods. Meanwhile, we are also creating our secret weapon for drawing efficiently, ThinkSpace. Now let's go deeper. Inside the characters board, we create next subboards: character design, poses, props, and of course, anatomy. And the last thing left to do is to create a shortcut to our secret weapon on every board. And you'll soon see how does it work. Now the main part. How do we actually add references here? Step 3. Write references. Before adding a reference, ask yourself, will I use this in future projects or studies? If yes, place it in the related category. If not, ask, do I love it? If yes, it goes into the mood folder for inspiration. If neither, don't save it. Keep your system clutter-free. But what's the point? Unlike the old approach, where references were gathered for a single artwork and then wasted, our reference map let us collect only what we truly need and will use again. It grows with you and it's tailored to your style and projects. Now, the most fun part. Step 4. Using references efficiently. To grab references in seconds, I use Milanote's web clipper, so in a few clicks I can save the reference to any of the boards which we created earlier. Then, inside my board, I arrange them into logical groups. For example, inside the anatomy board, I create groups like body, spine, arms, legs, and so on. And here is the best part. You can add sketch notes directly on artworks. In that way, you highlight important details you want to use in your future drawings. I also like to create palettes with color combinations that I really enjoy. Now you start to see why this system actually works to improve your art. Okay, but how do you actually use this while drawing? And that's when our secret weapon comes in. Before starting a new artwork, select the relevant references from each category and duplicate them into the ThinkSpace. Now we have a dedicated canvas full of references and ready to go. This is by far the best reference system I ever used. And you can build one yourself with Milanote, which is available for free and with no time limit. Sign up using the link below. And if you want to know how to stay consistent in your studies, watch the next video. See you there.